In today's video, I'll show you how to design a homecoming flyer in Canva. Whether it's for your school, college, or local community, this guide will help you create an eye-catching flyer that stands out. First, go to Canva's search bar and type homecoming flyer. Canva will show you a variety of ready-made templates to choose from. Browse through the designs and pick one that matches your event style and theme. Once you found one you like, click Customize this template. Now, personalize the text. Replace the default wording with your event details like the event name, date, time, venue, and any special notes. You can change the font style, size, and colors to match your school colors, mascot, or theme. Play around until the design feels just right. Next, enhance your flyer with visuals. Use Canva's image library or upload your own photos, logos, or mascots. This adds personality and makes the flyer more engaging. If your event has a color scheme or theme, incorporate it into the design. Consistent colors and graphics will make your flyer look professional. Before finishing, double check all details like spelling, times, and locations. A quick review ensures your flyer is clear and accurate. Once you're satisfied, click the download button in the top right. Choose PDF for printing or PNG if you're sharing online. And that's it. You've just created a custom homecoming flyer in Canva. With the right design and details, your event will grab attention and excite your community. Thanks for watching and happy designing.